Welcome back again to our channel. So guys, today we are eating indomie and scrambled egg. This indomie I prepare it with carrots, green beans, and with spinach with scrambled egg, which is fried egg. Okay, if you are new here, my name is Stella. What is your name?
Ezekiel.
His name is Ezekiel. This is Selena. Join us as we eat our food. We have juice, 2 juice, one for Selena and one for Ezekiel. I have my water in there. So guys, I'm going to be feeding them with my hand, okay? I will be feeding because they can't eat fast like the way I want. So I'm going to be feeding them with my hand. Stay tuned, relax, and watch the video. Thank you. Cover this with the blood of Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, take.
No.
I'm giving you food. You're telling me you don't want. What? I'll use spinach cook for no want. I'll see cook better food with spinach. You say you don't want. Why?
No, I want this.
Fair vegetable. So that's why I do it like this. My girl is eating now. Take now. Man.
Wait, dude.
This is my sister. She just off with the chopper on. Yeah, this one there is no this thing inside. Raise it. You will fall down. Wait, I will open it for you. Since he don't want to eat, I have to take the egg and put indomie inside. That will help.
Mama, I'm putting a juice.
Yeah, too.
You take the juice.
The reason why Ezekiel is using his hand to rub his stomach is just that the food, he don't want to eat it. Whenever he don't want to eat, he will just be doing like this. And he's hungry, so I can't leave him without eating. So that's why he's doing like that, so that I can leave him. No, I will allow him to eat a little, then we will stop.
Mama, those are Marcus. Those are Marcus.
Marcus.
Yes.
What's happening?
Marcus in page
2?
Yes.
Man.